I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part.
What is up? What is up? What is up? Yo! Can everyone hear me? I have a new mic. Can everyone hear me? What's up, everyone? Ragnarok, J Styles, Sherry in the house, Cruz, JLD54, Theta Gains. What's going on, guys? Hope everyone had a good Christmas, good holiday. Keegan in the house, Real Robot, Sonic Rules, Digital Nukes, Bitcoin's pumping. Theta Gains, what's up? Marco, Lay, loud and clear, awesome. Let's make 1,000, Smokey. Yeah, awesome. Let's do it. Lay. Check. Microphone checka. That's right. So new camera, new mic. I gotta work on some lighting and stuff though, but you know. Hope everything looks all right. What's up? How's it going? Polk County Man, Vior, BC Drums, JLD 54. I think I said hi to Lay. What's going on? Visible ID. Smash that like button if you guys are just joining. So did some upgrading over the little weekend there. The long weekend, I guess. Got a new microphone, got a new camera. I just hung up these letters, so if they fall off during stream, that'll be kind of funny. I'm using those what is it? Those command strips. I never have any good luck with those. So if it comes flying off. I just hung them up like an hour ago, so. So what we got going on? So I got some Apex accounts that I'm gonna trade. I picked up some evals, 90% off. Apex going on right now, so I picked up some of those. 150Ks is what I'm gonna go with, and so I passed. I traded a few of them on the other day and Friday. So I got them all up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going right now. Made about 2,000 on them each. Gonna sling around the this eval here. So Friday, trade day. I had a really good day on trade day the other day. So I think it was Friday. I don't know. I got all my days mixed up now. But I got a daily payout. I haven't requested. I don't know if I'm gonna build up the buffer or not. But I got a day one. I got it over the buffer on day one. So with trade day, which is pretty sweet. I'm waiting on some take profit trader accounts to get activated. You can see right here, this account right here, this is the funded account. So this is Trade Day's funded account. I got it up to 52,927, so $927 over the buffer. So yeah, I'm debating on whether or not to just take the payout, pay myself, or just see if I can build it up a little more and try to work with, you know. So I like to get over the buffer and stay there. So if I have a little wiggle room to trade, that'll be nice. But yeah, trading room tour. I can't move my camera; it's mounted. But yeah, that's it. I can take a picture and post it on Discord though. I'll post it on Discord. It's a little messy right now. I still haven't got it quite. Let's see here. Discord. So that's what I'm looking at right now. It's a little messy. Still got some things to do. I got a little lazy. I was gonna do all this stuff over the weekend, but you know. The old moonshine. Yeah. Hey, 345, Mr. Battle. Helpful in the house. What's going on, everyone? Let's trade some silver pine, Jonathan. I know. Silver is, yeah, it's what everyone wants to trade. It's kind of nuts. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from some silver right now, but I might sling some gold. His Royal in the house. What's going on, His Royal? Thank you, Jamie. New setup? Yeah, 345. New setup. Upgraded the mic, upgraded the camera, moved my desk around. Bullish Gods, what's going on? New here. Awesome, what's going on? Welcome. Hey, Mobro, what's going on? Mobro, I should say. Pharaoh Trader. 7 in the house. Gap down, you thinking? Possibly. I have no idea. No idea. So like I said, I'll sling around this eval. I'm gonna look to do a little more scalping on the overnight. So looking for like 5 points, things like that. But we'll see. Crypto night. It was good. Yeah, pretty chill. I went to a nice restaurant. Went to a nice restaurant on Christmas. I'll show that to you guys. Actually, you know what? I can't. I'll post it on Discord again. Under the food. And yeah, I hope everyone had a good Christmas, good holiday. I feel like off. I feel like I gotta get back into the groove of things. I feel like maybe I just take it a little slow tonight, kind of get back into the swing of it, but his Royal Trades, you feel the same? Yeah. Raking leaves, snap the rake. Oh boy. It's all shoveling snow right now. It's all shoveling snow. Lots of snow. All right, market's opening up here. Good luck, everyone. Let's have a good week. Let's finish off the year strong. It's kind of a funny week. All right, get a little push up here. Market's open. Got the zero prints going on. A bunch to the upside. If you guys like to join the Discord, I'll post that in the link. Post the link in the chat. There you go. All right, market is open. What's gold doing? Let's see what gold's up to. Gold's pushing higher. So gold is basically keeps tapping all-time highs. It tapped all-time highs. It could push it again. We're not that far off here on gold. Let's look at the hourly here. We got an all-time high sitting up there at 45.81 and 10 cents. So very could actually push that tonight. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna be pretty patient tonight. I'm gonna try to be anyway. Like I said, I feel like I want to get back into the swing of things. We got some zero prints down here at 58.25. Hey Max, what's going on? Autumn 9 in the house. Silver's taking off again. What is the silver contract? Is it SILZ5? SILF6? What is it? Does anyone know? SIG. G6. Oh, wow. Yeah, gold's up over 80 bucks now again. I mean, not again, but just absolutely wild. Let's go to the 5-minute here. Let's go candlesticks. SIH6 is the new contract. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. Wow, look at silver. High of 82.33. Wow. Wild. So yeah, for Christmas, I went to a fancy steakhouse. Very fancy. I went to a fancy steakhouse and got a pork chop. Hey, at least I didn't get chicken. Usually I get chicken at a fancy steakhouse. Yeah, it was really good. You know what's funny is, like, I didn't know this, okay? Because, like, when I eat pork, I like it cooked. Well, like, I don't know. That's just me. It's just, maybe it's just old school or whatnot. But, like, they asked me, like, how I wanted it cooked, and I'm like, I want it cooked. I don't know. And they says, well, you can order it just like a steak. You can order it rare, you know, medium rare, whatever, you know. I'm like, really? I didn't know that about pork, but yeah, I feel better just eating it cooked, well done. I don't know. So how's everyone else doing? How was your trading at the end of the last week? It's kind of funny, those holiday markets. They can be a little tricky. They can be a little bit tricky, but we did have some pretty good price movement, I thought, on Friday. I thought it was decent for a while. You had a good day? Yeah, Martin Suarez. That's kind of how I feel. Pork sushi seems like a horrible idea. That's kind of how I feel, Visible ID. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, that's what they said, 7. I don't know. That's what they said. I just noticed on this new this new layout with the camera, it kind of looks like I'm sitting, but I'm not. I'm standing. I'm gonna get something that's like up in this corner here. I think I want to get a picture or something up for here. I don't know. I feel like the lighting is weird too. But I'm kind of a minimalist. I don't like a lot of stuff. All right, pulling back here to the VWAP. I'm waiting. I'm being patient, waiting for a setup here. Let's see what gold's doing. Silver's frozen. Did it like... Wow, silver. Holy cow. 82.67. The high on silver. All-time highs. Gold, I imagine, is... It hasn't hit all-time highs tonight, but it's close. It pushed way up to 45.81.30. But hasn't broken the all-time highs yet. Nasdaq's pulling back here, filling some of these zero prints. No real setup to get in, unfortunately. instead of more of an I think. But we just filled them down here. Yeah, someone asked if I get the good old moonshine going on. Oh yeah, my camera's not over here. It used to be over there. It's right here now. The old white lightning. No, it's just water. Iberico, pork, medium rare because it dies particularly acorns. Oh yeah, Lay, yeah for sure. Have you ever used wealth charts through Apex, Daniel? I have never used wealth charts. I've never heard anything too good about them. About wealth charts. I've never used them personally, but everyone that I know that has used it kind of complains all the time. I don't know. I think it works fine. I just think that when people get used to using another platform, they just don't like it. But I've never used it. Has anyone used wealth charts? Do you like it? If you have, what's up, Pawn? Physical silver in China is $90. Holy cow! Filled at 62. Let's go. John Walk in the house. Yeah, I just seen some people like other streamers using wealth charts and are always complaining, but yeah, gold and silver might be the plays tonight, but man, they're wild. Check out gold here. Let's see if we get any zero prints on the gold. We do, to the upside. None to the downside here. Probably trade the micros on gold if I do take a trade. Trying to hold that VWAP. VWAP. We do have a small gap on gold, so it's a small gap up. Maybe like $2. So let's see if we try to fill that. Possible inside bar on Nasdaq and gold. I might take the gold inside bar. Might try it, but like I said, I'm gonna try it with the micros because it's pretty volatile right now. Let's take a look at silver. I've never traded. Well, I have traded silver. I did place a trade once on silver, but kind of interested in the short on gold if we break this inside bar, maybe just to fill the gap. Possibly, even though we were super bullish, but just looking for a little scalp down into that. Maybe, we'll see. You don't like wealth charts? No. You like wealth charts, Jordan? What's up, TJP? I'm gonna take a short on gold. Oh, why is my... Because we broke that downside of that inside bar. So I'm just kind of looking for that gap fill with 3 micros. There it's going. There it is. Bang. Quick trade and up 136 and the apex disconnected. Nice. Oh, the trade of 8 just disconnected. So yeah, I just took the quick short off that first inside bar on gold, looking for that little gap fill. So nice little trade there with the micros. Let's see how many points though it was. Why is nothing working? This could absolutely flush too. We'll see though. Okay, hotkeys not working. All right, let me check my hotkeys here. I don't know why they're not working. Well, they should be working. You should refresh. Wow, gold absolutely kabooshed. Nasdaq just hanging out at the VWAP. Gold is pushing down here. Oh, there it is. My hotkeys are working now. This is gonna look like a very baby scalp now, but yeah, that was a good 5 points on the gold on that short. But man, it just absolutely just rug pulled. 20 points there off that inside bar so far. Getting a little bounce here, 549.40. What's up, Adam Daz in the house? Silver still holding. It's good to be back, guys. I missed you guys. Although I didn't really feel like I took that much time off, I just didn't stream. So I was still trading, you know me. I was trading and then, working on content and that kind of stuff, but I still want to do some more changes though. I want to change some of the stuff on the layout of the Streamlabs, and I also got to work on a new music playlist. This one I've been playing a while. All right, gold getting a little bounce here. Nasdaq's not really the play tonight so far. Nasdaq's just kind of hanging out at that VWAP. Been working on some new strategies too. Just playing around with the charts, playing around with Pine Script. Got some cool things. I love just sitting around and studying the charts sometimes when you have time. I love just looking at the charts, back testing things, all that good stuff. Bulanox is currently 91% off as well. So I got a Bulanox account almost passed. I only need $100. I could have got it on that one trade. I'm trying to load up for the new year. Get some Apex, get loaded up on them Apex, loaded up on the Bulanox, take profit traders. I'm waiting on a bunch to get that I have passed, so I'm just waiting on a bunch of those to get activated. Smoke, what's going on? Use my code for Lucid. Thank you so much. Yeah, Lucid is definitely one of my top props right now. I need to pick up some more. The Lucid accounts that I had going, I ended up getting a bunch of payouts on the Lucid accounts, but I have no more funded Lucids anymore. I think I don't remember when I lost them. It was last week, but unfortunately they are gone. I ended up having a very nice run with Lucid. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Christmas party we did. So yeah, we had a nice little run with Lucid on some of those accounts. You can see right here, two payouts on those two accounts, 2 payouts on those two. And then direct Lucid account number 3 ended up having 4 payouts on that. So nice little run with the Lucids, and it's time to pick up some more. So I'm gonna pick up some more of those. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold pulling right back here to the VWAP. Interesting here. Do we go short again? Jim Smith in the house. Data gains do not trade until the New Year's. Yeah, I don't blame you. Tim Korth in the house. Change the setup or camera angle? Yeah, it's all, I moved the desk around and everything, yeah. A brand new camera, Adam. Brand new camera, brand new microphone. What type account do you think My Fund of Futures will replace the scale with? I think they're just going to stick with that flex, right? I think My Fund of Futures is going to stick with that flex plan. Or whatever it's called. Let's take a look. I mean the rapid plan. So I think they're going to stick with the rapid, the core, and the pro. The scale really wasn't popular, apparently. Like, people just didn't like it. I don't know. The rapid plan is pretty sweet, though. You can get daily payouts on that as well. I think you might see them. Well, actually, no. Yeah, because with the core flex add-on, you can do that 50% withdrawal, just like Tradeify, where they're 50%, being able to withdraw 50% of your total profits. So, all right, Nasdaq here. What does Nasdaq want to do here? So we've taken one trade tonight. If you guys are just joining, we took a gold short right off this inside bar. It was a beautiful trade. So up so far. Like, yes, it went well. Thank you. Thank you, Adam Daz. I appreciate it. Yeah, it was time to do some upgrading. I mean, I still had my old. I basically was just running the camera and everything that I started with, and I didn't want to spend a lot when I bought a camera to stream with, because I didn't know if anyone was going to watch. So now that the channel's growing, and I think next year is going to be bigger than ever. I think that we'll be over 10,000 subs by the end of next year. So I'm not stopping. Not yet. I didn't win the Powerball, so I can't stop. Thank you, Seven. Corey, what's up? Simplistic videos. What's the secret for my Lucid payouts? I think I tell you what the secret was on the Lucid payouts was being able to lock myself out. And keeping in that consistency. I would hit the consistency on those accounts, and there was days where I pushed it, to $1,800 or so. And so once I could hit $1,800 on a 150K straight to funded, I would just lock it out, and I'd stop trading it. I think that was kind of the key. 50K is the same way. I would just lock myself out. And if I hit the daily loss limit, then I hit the daily loss limit, but I really just kind of just did a few trades off the open. I traded pretty heavy size. So oftentimes when I was streaming, I was trading it. You guys know I was like talking about it, like I would be in a trade here and be in the same trade on the Lucid up on my other screen, and then I would be looking for those zero prints, but just pretty aggressively, you know. Yeah, and that's what I was doing, and then I just locked myself out. That was the key. VWAP, gold right at the VWAP here, just struggling to get up over it. I'm kind of wondering if, man, I wonder if we curl down, but silver still wants to take off. I would imagine platinum's still up there too. But yeah. Thank you, Seven. I appreciate you. What do I think about silver? I have no idea. So I don't trade silver. So there's just a saying, right? Never short all-time highs, right? It's just kind of a silly saying. But meaning like, I think, you know, not financial advice or anything, but you don't want to like just blindly short, you know? You don't want to be, of course, you want to be the guy that picks the top, right? And shorts silver or short all-time highs. You want to be the hero and be the guy that, or the girl that shorts all-time highs. But I mean, you know, the old saying, trend is your friend, and never short all-time highs. It's kind of tough to try to short that. Now we took a nice short on gold. It's you can get some nice scalps out of that. I mean, that was a 20-point candle, or off that inside bar. That was 20 points right there. I mean, one mini, that's $2,000. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know. It's like, what's the catalyst to bring it down? And right now we keep going higher. I kind of think that once the new year hits, then there could be some more volatility pumping back into the market, and we could see some corrections. That's just a theory. That's not advice or, you know, anything like that. I just have a feeling that we might just have some correction once the new year hits. For this week, I would just trade what you see, and I think the market's going up as far as the gold and silver for now. But even in bull markets or bear markets, you have these big bounces and big drops. Nasdaq a little slow. We'll see here. Let me see if I can pull up platinum. I'm just kind of curious if all the metals are going. I mean, I don't have Project X. Peter Frank, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate it. Blow off the top seems possible. 100. Yeah, I guess spot price is up there in the 90s, right? In China. Yeah, 84.78 spot price in silver. Crazy, right? Look at that spike. Unreal. Could the war in Iran make the market crash? I have no idea. JLB. I don't trade off fundamentals at all. I really don't. There goes Nasdaq. Nasdaq getting kabooshed here. Nasdaq pushing down here, making a new low. Could possibly run this low down here, 835, if it wants to keep going. We got this bottom wick here, been untested. Kind of missed that inside bar short, of course. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold broke that inside bar to the upside. I'm gonna try kind of a cheap long here on gold. The micros. Not really cheap, actually. It's pretty big candles so far. Nasdaq getting a bounce here off 843. It's coming back to fill that zero print right there at 855.50. You can see it right here. See if it pushes up. Might take a... If we get a little pullback here on Nasdaq, test at 50, I might take a long. I want to do it before it fills this though, so I might miss it. If it fills this, then I'm out. I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, I just filled it. All right, I'm not gonna take that. But we're still in that Nasdaq. I mean that gold long right now. Long from 45, 63, 70. Gonna stop at 45, 57, 80. Silver's a beast. It is taking it. Yeah. Yeah, that was quite the Nasdaq bounce for sure. Which kind would you recommend? Best value on drawdown valuation goal ratio? It kind of depends on your trading style. I do like, I mean, you guys know like my favorite, I think we got a lot of new followers. Boy, that is not looking good. I'm out on that. Gold really wants to push down here. Yeah, that's I tried to take that gold inside bar, that first one there, long. It just swept above it. Pull back, put it in that outside bar. Kind of get the feeling like gold wants to finally pull back here, but I don't know, a little tricky. Yeah, so anyways, what I was saying is, like, you guys know my favorite prop is Take Profit Trader. But yeah, some good deals going on right now. I mean, if you're someone that's looking for cheap evals, you know, Nasdaq, I mean Apex right now. Cheap. All right, we got a little Harami candle long here. I'm gonna look to take out the opposite side of the ORB. So long Nasdaq. Got in a little bit late. But Lucid, I think Lucid is pretty good too right now. Lucid is one of my favorites. I think for new users, I'm not sure if it's still 50% off for new users. You could check, but yeah, I mean Lucid 50% off on their accounts. It's a pretty good deal. Right now it's 35% off, 25K, 50Ks. 30% off all of the plans. So that's what Lucid's got going on right now. Probably have to change my promo too on the chart. All right, looking to take out the opposite side of the ORB here. Bang. Just filled. So that's a trade I like to take that you guys see me taking on stream very often, is that when we break the low of that 5-minute ORB, and then it either sweeps it to the high, or breaks it to the high or the low, puts in a reversal like one of these haramis, and then I like to take the trade and look to take out the opposite side of the 5-minute. So it's a little quick little scalp. But yeah, 35% off. Let's see here. I haven't even paid attention to any of the promos going on right now. All right, so we swept that high of that ORB 5-minute. Auto Gold, I appreciate the I don't know if you're a bot or what. I appreciate it. Just like no self promotion. I mean, I promote people all the time. You know, I promote other streamers, everything. You guys know I'm a fan first, but I've never even seen you before, so no hard feelings. You're looking for a big silver short arch diesel in the next few days? Yeah, I mean, I like it. If you got a good setup, why not? Why not? Yeah, I don't know. It could be a bot. Yo, Jim, yeah. Could be a bot. Oh, actually, I noticed that they've done this before. Same message. Same message. So I can look back to all your guys' messages. So yeah, I can look at all your messages. Kind of cool, huh? I can look at Yo Jim. See, I can look at all your messages from way back. Find where's found here. Can you read me now? I know. All right, what do we got here? We got gold. Gold kind of slowing down a bit. We got top of the hour here in about about 24 minutes or so. So we'll see how that goes. I'll look at something here. Sorry guys, I'm just pulling up my trading view here. Pulling up the old trading view. Just wanted to look at something real quick. Oh, you know what? It's on my other computer. Oh well. I gotta change this Lucid promo, guys. It's also not 40% off. All right, just waiting on another setup here with Nasdaq. We just took a trade off that Harami here. Let's take a look at gold again. Gold trying to push down. Silver pushing down a little bit as well. Let's take a look at YM. I'm just curious. YM's not really moving much. How's everyone doing? You guys getting in any trades? Exclamation tiger. Yeah, for sure. I wish I could give away accounts, but we gave away all of them on Christmas party. No more accounts until probably next month. It was good, Ragnarok. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I just chilled out. Had a nice... Went to a nice steakhouse. It was good. Hope everyone had a good holiday, Christmas. Thank you, Charles. Thinking about a long off for the MES. Yeah, possibly. So let's take a look at the news too. I'm kind of curious on what the news is going to be. Like I said, I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. Taking a little, I feel like I'm still in holiday mode. It's not much news tomorrow. Pending home sales in the morning, but it's not even red folder. We have FOMC meeting minutes on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, unemployment claims in the morning. And of course, there's a bank holiday for the new year on Thursday. All right, Nasdaq trying to make a new high there, pulling back. Swept that inside bar here. Pulling back some. Take a look at gold here. Gold stair step and down so far in the 5-minute. Trying to hold that low. 10 points from that low, which is a lot. $10, 10 points, whatever, is $1,000 trading one mini. So kind of interesting spot here. I feel like we could continue to push down. Might actually try a short here on the gold again. Pretty wide stop. See if we can push down into the, I'm looking at 52.80 possibly. Let's see if we can stair step down on the gold. I gotta stop up there at 45.65, just above the VWAP there. We'll see. Just trading the micros. There's a 1.5 right there. That used to be like a big win on gold. A 1.5. Just 2 points right there. TTBZ in the house. 2 trades on gold, lost on both. I have one. I've taken 2 trades. I won one. I lost one. I had one nice Nasdaq trade, and we are in a gold short right now. Pretty wide stop. Currently up around 180 bucks unrealized right now on this Apex 150k eval. I do have 5 of them going. I'm not copy trading them all right now because I want to I don't know, I just want to get back in the swing of things here with the trading. I felt like I haven't traded in a hot minute, even though I did trade Friday. Briefly I traded Friday. Basically just took the open on Friday. I took a nice Nasdaq trade. But boy, you can make some money with... All right. Wow. That was a little too quick for me. I was actually going to look to bring my stop down, but I might see if I can catch a runner here. Maybe take 2 off. Catch that runner. I'll take 2 off here. Down to 1 micro now. Up about 200 bucks. Slinging these micros. Waiting for gold to sell off a bit, Charles. I hope it sells off too. Thank you, Ragnarok. I appreciate you. Dida, what is up? What's going on? Holiday's going great. Wow. There's 5 points on the gold right there. Why gold is where it's at tonight. Gold is where the fun's at. See if we can make a new low on gold. Why not? Whoops. Sorry. So we got a zero print down here at 52, 45, 52, 80. Got a zero print right here. And then we have some down at the bottom, but they're just singles. But actually we have some doubles down here. 54, 9, 70 and 54, 9, 60. So we'll see if we run those. I don't know. Nice. I just won one of my basketball bets. All right. How about them Spurs? So here's the thing, Seven. I don't even watch basketball, but I bet on it. I do watch a little college basketball in March. I like watching that, but the NBA, I don't even watch it. I know it's like no fun, right? But I trade it. Well, I gamble it the way, like using like trading probabilities and statistics. And so far it's been working pretty good. I kind of developed a little bit of an edge. And I just started trading it about 3 weeks ago, and I'm up about $1,900. And I'm not trading that big either, or betting that big. I'm just betting a lot, like a bunch of games. All right, here we go. We're pushing down here. Tire's on the wrong DOM. Gold, looking like it wants to make new lows. Top of the hour here in 10 minutes. Do I wait for LeBron to hit the fair value cap and turtle soup? Yeah, I know. Smoke some thunder for Christmas. Oh, nice. 7. Oh, thank you, Pawn. Appreciate it. I'll check it out. Oh, wow. That's crazy, Pawn. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, for sure, Pawn. Yeah. Interesting. Thank you for sharing. Come on, Gold. Get down there. Looking for that low to get run. Come on. Yeah, Pawn, for sure. Yeah, it sounds it. Like the article you just sent me, it sounds like it could possibly, like silver could keep going up. Absolutely. That would explain the moves for sure. Sorry, I'm a little quiet. I'm just focused here. I'm on that gold short here. So far, gold wanting to hold that low. We'll see if it actually breaks down through that low here. Yeah, one in. Yeah, new setup, new camera, new microphone. Move my desk around. Yeah. Gold trying to hold that low so far. I missed my take profit on my other account by 1 tick. Maybe we get it on this flush. Or maybe it'll flush down and take it out. Or do we hold that low? Nasdaq just kind of bull flagging back to the VWAP right now. So we're in a gold short here at 45.60. It's a little surprising we didn't sweep that low. But we'll see if we can do it on this next push. Or it holds it, right? I mean, we could hold this low here and push up higher, but right now the gold market's looking a little bearish. I'm liking this. I'm liking it for the sweep of the low, but I don't really know. Gold and silver, the best performing assets of 2025. What do you think will win in 2020? I know, isn't that crazy? I don't know. I mean, it could keep going up, gold and silver, but geez, I don't know. I mean, Nasdaq and everything's almost at all-time highs as well. I mean, Nasdaq, YM, and the whole market is just up. I mean, all-time highs is not that far for Nasdaq. It's not that far away. All right, let's flush it down here. Let's get down to 45, 49, 90, or 45, 50. I'd like to see that. Give it to me. Yes. Nice. All right, moving the stop here. Actually, I'm going to let this one run. I think we go up. Move stops at break even now. Stops at break even. I took profit on my funded there. What a nice trade. Took it on the... That's why I was a little quiet, guys, because this is my daily payout account. So 444 bucks with one mini. And I got in a little bit later on that trade, but I was just basically looking for those zero prints down there. Took them out. So anything over $2,250 with trade day, you can take a daily payout on. So you can see right now, currently up $3,372 on this account. So I will take a payout on this account now, because I'm gonna at least take something and pay myself. So beautiful gold short there, which is pretty rare. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, I usually get smoked with gold, so nice to see finally a nice little call out. So nice 10 points on the gold off this trade here. So what's up, Red? Do they ever deny payout if you flip on the eval? No, I don't think so. I flipped my eval, so I don't think so, buddy. I'll go for a payout right now. I'll take a payout. Let's see what I can get. Oh, let's see. It's been a hot minute, guys, since I've gotten a trade day payout, so this is pretty cool. Request withdrawal. So I think I can show this without doxing myself. So actually you can withdraw into the buffer, or $2,000 buffer. So this is the way the trade day payout thing works. So I'm just gonna request like 900. There goes gold, guys. We got a bleeder. We got a bleeder. I need a medic. I need a medic. Trailing my stop here. Woo! One micro, guys. 200 bucks. 225. Holy jabroni. Holy guacamole, guys. We are flushing here. I'm going to take a little profit here. I'm moving stop down. I'm trailing. Locking in another $200 on the one micro, gold micro. We're getting that cabooshin'. All right. Took profit there. Wow. 391 with the micro. The micros, I should say. Man, I wish I would have held that daily payout account, right? Holy cow. Today's the day. Today is the day. We are cabooshin'. All right, there's the bounce here, 45.36. So good take profit there. You guys know, like, gold never likes to go that one direction. It always does that bouncy or pulls back. It likes to backfill these 5-minute candles. Not to say that we can't go lower tonight. It loves to do those backfilling stuff. So yeah, we'll see. I'll take that payout with trade day. Boy, I'm having a little bit of FOMO, but hey, 444 bucks for daily payout is nice. It's nice money right there. That's that replaces the 9 to 5, right? Thank you, Sonic Rules. Just did 650 on a mini in like 5 seconds. Let's go, Frozen Walk. Nice. All right, let's take a look at Nasdaq here. Thank you, JLD54. Yeah, I just withdrew. So after the commission, 740 bucks. So 740 bucks in the pocket. So we'll take that. All right, let's look at Nasdaq here. Nasdaq looking like it wants to try to pull back. Waiting to see how this candle closes here on Nasdaq. Any tips on the first funded account, on your first funded? Yeah, I can't give you financial advice or anything, but here's a tip. Like, just know that there's no rush to getting a payout, right? And now that you have that funded account, it's paid for. So there's literally, you're not going to get billed monthly. I believe. I mean, all the props that I know, you're not going to get billed monthly. So you have that account now. It's yours. Take your time. Don't don't feel like you got to compare yourself to anyone else, whether it's me or, you know, when you see me getting payouts or any other person or influencer. Just know that, just take your time, size down if you need to, but then just trade it the way, however you traded your eval. So hopefully you traded your eval with your edge, and just trade your edge. But yeah, just take your time. I mean, there's no rush. So whether you size down to a micro or two, nothing wrong with that. Get your feet wet. Challenge yourself. See how long you can keep that account, you know? See how long you can keep the account. Like, maybe you don't get a payout in a month. That's okay. Maybe you get the payout in 3 months, 4 months. You know, it really doesn't matter. What I like to do is, like, oftentimes I'll have a funded account and then I'll look to trade another eval on the side, right? So I always have evals going. I always have funded accounts going. The evals keep me from trading the funded accounts so much. So, like, if I was just trading my funded account like tonight, especially when I'm streaming, it's like I don't want to keep trading this account. I want to wait until that payout comes. So it's good to have some evals going too, you know? But yeah, just my 2 cents. But congratulations on getting a funded account, because, you know, it's not easy. It's not easy. I mean, I have to remember that we're all in different spots, you know. We're all, some of us are trading personal accounts. Some of us are trading prop accounts. Some of us have never gotten a payout. Some of us have never passed the eval. So congratulations on getting that funded account, because I remember struggling for months to get a funded account. See if I can update this promo here. All right, Nasdaq getting a little bit of a push up. I'm gonna take a long on Nasdaq. I'm long Nasdaq. I'm not looking for much. Scalp. It's gonna be a scalp. With the micros. You know, I gotta make a bracket here. I'm gonna make this bracket here. See if we can hold above this VWAP. Something like that. Hey, let's go, HR. Appreciate you. Yeah, 90% off Apex accounts, guys. You see the promo there. Really good deal. So Apex right now, all evals are $19.60. $19.60. I just updated the Lucid promo, the current Lucid promo. All right, try to take a little long on Nasdaq, but man, it is not working out so far. Swept the low of that inside bar. I tried to take the break on the, but I noticed the Nasdaq actually never broke. Well, it might have. Yeah, it kind of did. Just ugly. Well, I can stop down there, 852.50. That's the max pain on that trade. We'll see if we hold here. Yeah, so 25Ks to the 100Ks are $65 activation fees, though. So, but all the evals are $19.60. So you can get, you know, a 300K for $19.60 if you choose. I personally like the 50Ks and the 150Ks. Those are the ones I like. Well, might get stopped out on this trade here. Maybe I get lucky, but I doubt it. It's gonna bounce. It better bounce now, or forever hold your peace. The low of that candle here. Low 856.75. Actually, I might get out of this trade here. Take the $100 L. It's because we broke out of, we're trying to break out of this little range here. I'm gonna get out of this. I lost a little bit. Still up 288.94. Lost about 90 bucks, 80, 90 bucks on that. I might actually flip the switch. Now this could get me in trouble. I'm gonna flip the switch, guys. Wait to see how this candle closes. Yeah, I'm a short here. I'm a short. I'm actually gonna short Nasdaq on this account too. Let's see if I can get this account past $100. How hard can it be? Need $100 past this account. 851.75. Get this Buellanox account passed. If something happens, that's okay. So the nice thing is about these Buellanox accounts, they're right around $19 too. They're also 91% off. So you know, it's $20. I'm not gonna cry over it, but I'd like to see it. We broke the low of this outside bar, broke this inside bar low. We did put in this big wick down here though, so we'd have to run that a little bit for it to work, but we'll see. I don't really like that candle close. Yeah, I know that 5-minute Harami. I know, yo, Jim. That's what I'm saying. I don't like that one closed. I was kind of hoping it would have closed red when I was looking at it, but we'll see. Let's take a look at gold's pushing down. Maybe we get it with the gold. Let's see. Woo! Gold kabooshed. Gold absolutely kabooshing. Wow. There goes gold, guys. Gold absolutely rug pulling. Nasdaq going up. Not looking so good for my Nasdaq trade right now. Wow, there goes gold again. Woo. Holy cow. There goes gold. Wow, just dropped 30 points in like a second. Woof. Oh, damn it. I need $1. I need 50, not even $1 to pass that account now. All right, let's go to the micro. Damn. How hard can it be? I still have the Nasdaq long on too. That's underwater right now. Short Nasdaq, just looking for a little scalp. See if I can pass this account. Now I need $7. I'm just gonna hold this 1 micro. We'll see what happens. Rejected off the VWAP there. Let's try to cover commissions too. Just give me 58.75, please. Sorry guys, I'll go back to gold in just a second. Gold is the news. Holy cow, gold 4,500 to 50. Just trying to see if I can pass this account here, then we'll go back to gold. I don't want to try to pass this account with even 1 micro on gold, because that could be disastrous. Right now, might just get out of this. I did like how Nasdaq rejected off that VWAP though, but it did put in that 5-minute harami, which I don't love either. I'll get back to the chat in just a minute, guys. I'm gonna get out of this trade too. Yeah, I'm out of that. Oh, come on. There's still up some on, yeah, $100 on that account, but right now I'm trying to pass this one. Rejected off the VWAP again. There we go. That's passed now. All right. Let's take a look at gold. Wow, gold absolutely getting kabooshed here. All right, I'm gonna lock myself out of this account so I don't accidentally trade it. So that Belanox is passed. So we'll lock out of that one. We'll go to this one here. If I see anything. Still up $100 on the Apex, but man, I gave back some on that Nasdaq. Kind of paper-handed it here. Let's take a look at gold here. Once again. You're up 3,800 on a new eval. Gonna lock out. I had to buy a couple of... Nice, Mark. Congratulations. Right down to 4,500 again. Gold. 44.89 though. Looks healthy. Is Royal? Yeah, gold's really coming down here. DCA into this one? I did, yeah. I only needed 50 cents. Might as well DCA, right? Green but ineligible. Oh, because you made too much. Oh, you made. Oh, sorry. I didn't. I gotta go back. 4,000 on Bulonox eval. They blew me ineligible. Oh, because the trailing drawdown. Intraday trailing. Gotcha. I'm gonna lock myself out. I shouldn't trade this on my first day. No. Well, gold. Yeah, definitely wild. Definitely wild on the gold. I mean, gold is just absolutely rug pulling. See, it's trying to hold that 4,500. Let's see if it actually does hold it. Holy cow. Whew. Holy cow. Guys. I want to degen this bad with some evals. I got to be quite honest with you. I am like trying to show you good trading, but man, I want to degen this. To pass or smash some evals. Apex 90% off. Use my code Pine. Thank you so much. If you're gonna pass or smash some accounts, please use my Bulonox code. And no, I'm just kidding, guys. Just joking. But man, this is. I mean, you could load up some accounts with this stuff if you catch the right move, but. Holy cow. This is fun. I did not expect this tonight. I did not expect this tonight. Smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. I hope you guys like the new setup. I hope you guys like the new mic too. I'm going to listen back to the mic, to the stream, see how the mic sounds. I got a pretty good deal on it, but we'll see. I do want to improve my my lighting a little bit, but I like it so far. All right, gold getting a bounce here, 44.90. Oh, thank you guys, appreciate it. Way more clear. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, believe it or not, this mic was half the money than my old mic. This is a $60 mic with a boom. My old mic was $130. So I got it on a sale. Wow, Nasdaq taking off. Nasdaq taking off here, bottom of the hour. Where's Nasdaq going? Woof. What's up, Coach Fred? Good to see you, man. Being up multiple thousands on a few micros is crazy. Yeah. Yeah, Nasdaq just took off. $44.89 looks healthy on gold. Heard this one? Yeah. What's the ticker for gold micros? MGCG6 on Trade of 8. MGCG6. Project X. Yeah. MGCG6. G26 on Project X. Playing the silver. Let's look at silver. Yeah, silver, absolutely wild. Gold trying to buy a bit, get a bid here. I'm long gold here. This could be crazy. So this is a Bulenox eval, guys. Spread is getting a little wild too. This might actually try to trap some bulls like myself. But let's see if we can get up to that 20s. Kind of backfill some of this candle. There's that push. Taking off a few here. All right, kind of breaking that. I'm gonna add some more here. Adding into this. See if we get a little short squeeze up in here. Oh, thank you, John Walk. All right, let's take profit on one set here, down to 2 micros now. I gotta stop just below this candle here. See if we can just backfill some of that 5-minute. So far, we are pushing here. Gold trying to bounce. Nasdaq, I believe, is taking off. Yeah, Nasdaq, nice. Nice little takeoff on Nasdaq. $31, actually. 31. We do have some room to the upside here if we decide to get a little pop. That 31 area actually looks pretty good. 31.1. We'll see. I mean, overall, I mean, obviously the gold market's just selling off, so just trying to get a little scalp in. Got the 2 runners going. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Maybe, yeah. All right, stopped out on that. That's okay. Made 200 on that trade with the micros. But yeah, absolutely crazy. Let's take a look at silver. Silver's pulling back as well. Sorry, let me go back to the chat. But hey, Cove, what's up, buddy? Brady, you watching me from a virtual reality world right now? Oh, that's awesome. One of those headsets things. That's funny. Hey, Jake Sunrise in the house. $2,700, $250. Oh, nice, John Walk. 44, the Punisher in the house. In 3 silver minis? That's wild, Cove. You're wild. 3 silver minis. I don't even know this is... What is this? I guess, is this the minis? I think it is, right? I'm just going to trade gold. I'll trade the gold for now, just because... I don't know. I never really traded silver, so... Nasdaq getting that bounce, but we'll go back to that gold because that seems to be the big news right now. I still think we could get a bounce here, but we'll see. This could bear flag and just absolutely dump, right? Hey guys, guess what? It could either go up or down. How do you like that analysis? It could go up or down. Dude, is it like a giant IMAX movie? That's awesome. Oh, that's cool. It's a good thing I got a new camera, right? Brady. I got a new camera. I'm gonna hop in that long again. I like it to 31. Kind of like backfilling some of this area. I probably will take some off though. Why don't I brackets? Huh. Didn't have no brackets on. It's going right, that's what I can tell you. Yeah, that's right. It will go to the right. I feel like this is way heavy size. Come on, gold. Just give me a little bounce. Please get up there. I'm definitely oversized with 6 micros even. I mean, 6 micros flushes to the low. This counts toast. This eval. Isn't that crazy? Well, might not get it on this one. I don't like this. Yeah, I might just close this out. We'll see here. If we break the low of this candle here, that 45.10, might actually just put in a hard stop there. Yeah, stopped out on that. Yeah, trying to look for that little momentum move back up to that 31, but not gonna happen. We are continuing. Looks like it's trying to break that little bear flag here. So a little recap tonight. So up about $100 on the Apex eval, past this account here. So past this account, that Buellanox, and up 879 on the trade day daily payout account. So absolutely amazing trade day, guys. Pine with a capital P, 40% off, no activation fee. Get the daily payouts, just like Take Profit Trader, guys. Except that the eval is a little bit different. So the eval, you have to trade it 30% consistency on the eval, but get those daily payouts. And they have end of day accounts and static accounts with trade day. So we took a daily payout on it today, and we are already back at 879. So took a $700, well, $900 plus the commission, so 700 something, and then that I just requested, and then up 879.60. So they haven't taken the money out of that account yet, which is a little risky, but I'm just not gonna let my account go past zero before that money comes out. So hopefully it comes out by the morning, although I don't feel like I should trade that account anymore. I have another trade day account that I almost got passed. So you can have three trade day accounts, right? Yeah. Guys, I don't know. I like the long, but I think I just got scared out. It was a little bit too heavy. I think gold could push up into here, but it's more of an I think play, just because we left single prints up there and zero prints on that flush down. So I feel like we backfill some of this area. But maybe I'll wait for an inside bar or something first. Thank you, Brady Bus. Oh, nice, Mark. Yeah, usually, depending on the platform you use, it's pretty fast. Master accounts. Holy Design says, I blew 9 accounts on silver here, all evals, but a total of gone in a little less than... Oh, yeah, for sure. Negative 50,000 across all 9 accounts in a few minutes, for sure. Chris Knopf in the house. Is anyone trading silver minis on a personal account? Is anyone in the chat? His Royal was wondering. What do I mean by zero prints? So on the histogram up here, 45 31, you can see, I'll widen it out here. You can see how it like skipped over the orders here, or not skipped over the orders, but it was going so fast that it literally left a price gap up here, 31.1. So I call these zero prints. I like to see them I like to see more than one. Do I buy the top of this range here? I'm going to on this eval here. So this is a zero print up here at 31.1. So like, what I like to see is more than one though. That's usually really powerful. But we'll see. Guys, I'm not putting a stop. Do not follow this trade. I am not putting a stop in this trade. I am gonna hold this cheap eval. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. See if we get that little squeeze. It just shook me out of that trade. Devin locked in the payout. Congratulations. Feels good to lock in those payouts on a Monday or Sunday night, Monday. All right, let's see if we can get that squeeze up here. See if it's finally gonna give me what I was looking for. If it pulls back here to backfill this candle here, or go to for this 4,505, this account will probably be toast. Yeah. So I got one master account passed, or Buellnox master. We'll see if we can pass. See if I can pass a few more. I like to be fully loaded with the Buellnox. Fully loaded with the take profit traders. Fully loaded with the take profit trader. I just need to flip a few more days, and then fully loaded with trade day. And then I'm gonna start working on some Apex accounts to build those bad boys up. I wanna have a pretty good boat going into the new year. Nasdaq pulling back here. Let's take a look at Nasdaq real quick. People look at Nasdaq. So Nasdaq made a new high, 889.75, pulling back to 880. Oh, come on, gold. Just break out here. Looking for that 31 level. Kind of bought top of this little range here, which is not always a good thing, but yeah, just looking to hopefully take back some of that 31. Push up towards that VWAP. If we can do it soon. We got top of the hour here. Just a few minutes. What am I going to use when Beelnot switches to Project X? I don't know. So far, that was, yeah, I did actually reach out to Beelnox, and they said that so as of right now they're gonna stick with Project X. So I'll read you what they wrote to me. It's kind of a non-answer. It's not really what I was looking for, but so I did reach out to them for you guys because you guys did ask. So this is what they said. So I said, hello, I have a handful of people in my trading community wondering if you guys will still offering Project X after the new year. A lot of the different props will not be using them. We are just wondering. Thanks. Appreciate you guys. And says, we are continuing to cooperate with Project X as usual and confirm that no existing Project X user is being affected. However, if there are any changes or updates, we will notify you email. So it's kind of a non-answer, but that's what they said. You have to be so fast with silver, like the Silver Surfer. Super fast. Come on, Arton, no single lot entries. I know, that is true. All right, gold kind of pulling back once again. I bought the top again, looking for that breakout. I gotta remember that gold does not move like Nasdaq in a way where it doesn't like to, like you get on momentum. Obviously, if you hopped in a short like that, you could kind of hop into momentum, but like it loves to, even if it's trending in one direction, it loves to pull back and kind of do that up and down thing, even on the 5-minute candle. So we'll see. I'm long, and we got the top of the hour here in just a few minutes. Who said that, Jarrett? No, that was Buellanox. What if Buellanox remained by the same people as Tostev? Yeah, I don't know, Red. I mean, it's like Buellanox, you just don't even know who runs them. I mean, I don't know. I like them a lot. I think they have some of the best help desk as far as even though that was kind of a nothing answer, but they're very fast at responding, and they just kind of float under the radar. You don't see them on Twitter or doing any of that stuff, you know. It's just the problem I see with Project X being on Buellanox or any other prop firm still using them is that the support is not going to be there. Like, so if something does happen with Project X, like, is Buellanox gonna fix it, or, you know what I'm saying? And I just don't know, you know. So that is an issue. That's a concern I have. Nasdaq pushing up here. Nasdaq looking like it's trying to make new highs. I'm long with the Apex accounts too. Like, I got in a little bit of better price. Hopefully it takes up that 31. We'll see. We got top of the hour here. I just don't know. All right, 30 seconds. Well, we should have some liquidity injection here. Guys, smash that like button if you guys haven't joined or haven't done that yet. I really appreciate it. Thanks for being here on a Sunday night. I haven't asked if you guys to hit that like button. It does help out. All right. Well, we're getting that push down here. Needs to hold. These are intraday trailing drawdown accounts too, so. Gold gonna continue to sell off here, or are we gonna get a little bounce and push up into these zero prints up to 31? That's what I'm looking for. Come on, get up there. Boy, it's like my entry is like resistance right now. It is kind of bull flagging on this 5-minute candle here, which looks pretty good, but we'll see. I got in at 45.14 on the Apex. It's a little FSP trading, a little DCAing amongst the accounts, but on the evals. Give me that 31.1. So you can see that zero print right here. That's what we're looking for. Don't know if we'll get there, but when you make Discord, I got a Discord. I'll drop the link. I'll drop the link. There's the Discord link. Rip it. Ribbit. I'm taking it off on the apex just because I was in 5 accounts there. I'm still willing to hold this one though. Let's see if we can push back up. Finally take that out. Kind of breaking out of that little bit of a range. I still feel like we have some unfinished business up there. Could even look for 536.40 if you think if you're bullish right now. Maybe test that VWAP. But a little bull flag break right here. It's looking good. Ribbit. Am I using NinjaTrader would take profit, Layden? No, I use Trade of 8. So I mean it's NinjaTrader, but yeah, I use Trade of 8. Same company now, but yep. You pissed you trade the silver on a demo. Isn't that always the way? It's just like when I fat finger a trade, it never goes my way. It seems like if I don't want to trade a funded account or something and I accidentally hit the button when I'm thinking I'm on an eval, the trade's never gonna work. And then vice versa. Like if I'm thinking I'm trading a funded account and then it works really well, it's always an eval, right? How do you use Trade of 8? Oh, it's super simple. I think Trade of 8 is one of the simpler platforms to use. But yeah, this is Trade of 8 right here. So up 1380 on that gold trade. I ended up going in 2 minis on that one. So across all 5 of these. 1200. So slowly working these 150Ks. I really want to get a bunch of 150K Apex accounts passed. That's the goal for 2026, is to have a bunch of Apex accounts, and then the goal is to slowly build them up throughout 2026 and then try to get a big payout. But we'll see. We'll see. You guys know I like my minis. That's the problem. Oh, you already have your take profit account up on NinjaTrader and past your evals. How do I switch over? Can't you now? I don't know for sure, but because it's the same company, Layden, can't you use a Trade of 8 sign in? for your Ninja Trader. They might be able to switch you if you send them a support ticket. I'm not really sure. Yeah, you can. Jake Sunrise says they think you can use your Ninja Trader sign in on Tradeovate because it's the same company, right? All right, looking for the zero print to get filled here. I don't know if it will or not, but we'll see. San Francisco playing tonight. Chicago at San Francisco. You can log into Tradeovate as well. Okay. Is there an activation fee with Buellanox? Yes, there is, KRV. It is $148. Right now, oh, zero print got filled. I'm flattening. So zero print got filled, but I'm flattening. So nice big trade right there with the 1 mini. There is another zero print up here at 36.40, but that's gonna be it for me on that. So pass this account tonight, up 434 on this bad boy. The Apex accounts, or actually trade day up 879 on the funded for a daily payout. So 879. We'll take that all day, and then up $1,279 across these Apex accounts, 5 of them. So pretty big night trading gold, which is a little out of my element. But yeah, right now Buellanox 91% off, Apex 90% off. 90% off. Use code PINE. I really appreciate it. I thank you so much for being here tonight. I hope you guys liked the new setup, the new stream look. I'll probably add some things or whatever too. Hopefully the microphone sounds better. It was one of the things that was really bothering me. You know what actually really inspired me was when Terry Trades and I did a stream together for the Christmas party stream. Her mic sounded so much better than mine, and I just was like, I gotta get a new mic. So but yeah, 90% off Apex accounts, guys. It is $65 for the 25K to 100K for activation, and $125 for the 150Ks, the 250s, and the 300s. So you can see on that promo down there. And I appreciate it if you use code PINE for all that. I am gonna take off, guys. It's Sunday night. I'm ready for another week of streams, and we'll do it. Thank you, His Royal Trades. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sean. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I felt like we traded really good as far as coming back and hitting it hard. So thank you, Madine. Appreciate that. Oh yeah, nice, Mark. Yeah, for sure. See you guys. Yeah. So my website is pinned to the top of the chat, propcodeshub.com. And yeah, you can just you can find all my affiliate links if you'd like to help support this channel. And we'll do it again tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow night for sure. Absolutely, we'll be back tomorrow night.
We're ruling the charts, building our wealth, breaking hearts. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. APA's funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation